This could not be done today without the collaborative effort of the director of the Office of Students and Services, Mrs. Adelaida F. Rabansa, and with this very active CSSD officers headed by the President, Mr. Ibhard C. Laurel, and we are here, of course, the Vice President, Sherlan F. Senior, and Ms. Nova Lee D. Batanso, the Secretary, and the rest of the officials